Give your Toyota Corolla a stylish interior upgrade with our lavishly designed custom-fit seat covers. Made of luxe faux leather, these high-quality seat covers are precision cut and custom tailored for your Toyota's carefully indented seating, concave design, and unique built-in features. The innovative design offers rear 60/40 split seat functionality, with zipper access to the center console and cup holders. Plus, the back side of the front bucket seat features a handy slip pocket to safely store personal items. The covers are impeccably engineered with thick foam padding, are airbag compatible, and feature a perforated center panel for breathability. Available in both luxe faux leather and high-quality Ultraflex neoprene. These beautifully designed covers are built to last. Protect the interior and full value of your Toyota Corolla with your newly installed custom-fit seat covers.